Now, with the help of this technology, we also started collaborative programs. And our first collaboration was with National Law University, Jodhpur. And we started a unique program, MS program in cyber law and cyber security. And you will be surprised to know, to impart law education or to deliver lectures for this law area, the faculty members are based at Jodhpur. To impart education related with cyber security, our experts are at US and our head office is at Ghaziabad. And students are geographically distributed across the globe. And this is a very successful program with the help of this digital technology. Now, this experiment was very successful and we extended this approach in research activities. And we started a collaborative PhD program, technology-enabled PhD program, again with collaboration with National Law University. And all the resources required for research activities are available online. Our library is online. Candidate can interact with the supervisor online. Supervisor can interact with the student online. So all with the help of technology, we are imparting the higher education, and even we are involved in the research activities. Recently, we also started the online evaluation process. That is the submission of assignment, online examination, online project viva, etc. For the information exchange, we are also integrated the SMS services and emailing facilities with our LMS. Let me show you some demo. This was our first LMS which we implemented to start with. Then the online classes through WebEx. Let me show you one demo.
Here, the first item is as per the figures given in the example. We take the percentages given for A, B, C, and then we do it for service department 1 and 2. A, B, and C, these are the production department. S1 and S2 are the service department.
So how we are conducting online classes? Now, we started a program called 1-year diploma in cyber security, which is a unique program. And how we are offering this program? There are online lectures and we have collaboration with world-renowned cyber security expert.
Email forging is an attack which has become so common and so rampant on the internet that it affects almost everybody who uses the internet, including individuals, corporations, and big government heads as well.
So we are trying
and
to create a live environment.
Extremely easy
The PowerPoint slide along
what happens
with
is,
Professor.
using email forging, there are a lot of different types of different attacks or types of different pranks that are possible. For example, using email forging, it is possible for you to send a fake email or forged email from a professor or your.
Then we started this online examination system, this SMS surveys, email surveys. Now, when we implemented this technology-enabled learning, many corporate approaches us for corporate tie-ups. And we started customized program for the corporates. And now we have tie-up with Genpact, Ericsson, Nucleus Software Export Limited, IBM Daksh, Styria Limited, WNS Global Services, Royal Bank of Scotland, Hindalco, TSGC, Bharti Airtel, Infosys, ONGC, and many more. Our USP is our blended approach. We feel the use of educational technology can improve the quality, flexibility, reach, and education with no boundaries. Let me share you one video clip which will explain the digital learning and the benefits. So finally, I will stop here with a quote. Technology can become the wings that will allow the educational world to fly further and faster than ever before, if we will allow it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.